Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at an example of on calculating the marginal probability mass functions from a given joint probability mass function. So the given probability mass function, the joint mass function is defined as P and K of n comma k is equal to 1 minus P power n minus 1 into P by n, where k is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n, and n is equal to 1, 2 and so on. Note that the joint mass function, the joint probability mass function is independent of the value of k, and the value is 0 for all the other cases. So now we can find the marginal probability mass function, that is Pn of n, by using the definition, that is summation over k of the joint PMF. So now by inserting the definition, we have summation of with respect to k over values 1 to n of the original definition, that is P by n into 1 minus P power n minus 1. And since this is independent of k, we can rewrite this as n times P by n into 1 minus P power n minus 1, which is basically adding a constant n times. So we have, that implies the marginal probability mass function is equal to P times 1 minus P power n minus 1, which is basically a geometric PMF. That is a so n is a geometric random variable. Now we want to find the mass function, the marginal mass function of the marginal probability mass function of the value of the random variable k, which is by definition equal to summation of over n of the joint mass function, joint probability mass function. So which is equal to by using the definition, we have n equal to 1 to infinity P by n into 1 minus P power n minus 1. Since P is independent of n, we have P, and also we can take one factor, that is 1 minus P power minus 1 outside, so it is 1 by 1 minus P into summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 minus P power n divided by n. And by definition, the Taylor series of logarithm of 1 minus x is equal to minus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity x power n by n. So this is the definition of a logarithm of 1 minus x, that is a summation of the over the Taylor series expansion. So by using this definition, we have p times, and putting x equal to 1 minus p, we have p times minus logarithm of 1 minus p, so divided by 1 minus p. So this is nothing but log p, and we have, therefore we have the marginal probability mass function of k, that is pk of k, is equal to minus p times log p divided by 1 minus p. So this is independent of k, so therefore this is a uniform distribution.